Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Today my sister is visiting and we're going to make some Peppermint Patty Cookies. These are super easy to make and are very delicious. The recipe will be located in the video description. To start with, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then mix 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 a cup of softened butter until creamy. You can use a mixer to do this. I just wasn't sure where my mixer was located at the time because I was still unpacking. I am battling some severe hand pain, so a mixer would have been a lot easier. And this is supposed to be softened butter, but I put it on the stove on low to soften the stick a little, and I forgot about it, so it was more melted than softened, but it still worked. After the sugar and butter are creamed together, then mix in the 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and the egg. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a dash of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then you want to slowly mix that into the batter. Next, add in 3/4 a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and you want to mix that well. Take a spoonful of cookie dough, you work it around the peppermint patty until it's in the shape of a cookie. You want to make sure the peppermint patty is in the center. You place it on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. You do this until all the dough is used. We also covered 3 peanut butter cups with cookie dough because Steve doesn't like peppermint. I then used sprinkles on all of the peppermint patty cookies so we could tell which ones had peppermint patties, since we did have 3 that were peanut butter cups. Bake it for 8 to 10 minutes in a preheated oven. Remove from the oven and let that cool for about 5 minutes before removing from the pan. Then you share it with all of your friends. This is definitely a drool-worthy human treat.
Okay.
All right, Steve's going to try the peanut butter cup.
The warmness feels good on my fingertips.
Is it gooey inside or?
Yeah. Oh, and the crispiness on the edge is perfect.
Kim said they taste like a brownie.
They have a brownie texture with a crispy edge.
Well, that's how brownies are.
Uh-huh. That's why corner pieces are always the best.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well these
Look nasty with that peppermint on the inside.
They're so good.
they were good. Okay, Bobby Joe can't review these, but we're gonna say they're drool-worthy.
You definitely. Up there, did you see that?
Yeah, you might want to clean all that up because the dogs lick your beard and you don't want them getting chocolate.